Sometimes I ask myself, Mungai Kihara, is there a difference between a home and a house? And when you have enough money, would you want to buy a house or a home? Let's get to the beginning of it. What is a home and what is a house? A house is a structure that has been designed for human habitation. What's a home? A home is a space with a structure that has been designed for human habitation, but on top it comes with extra amenities or extra features that improve the living standard of the human kind. Today we are in Ngong Kibiko and we are exactly 1 kilometer from Ngong town, and behind me is a 4-bedroom all-en-suite mansion with a print area of 375 square meters. This home has been constructed on half an acre lot of land, and when I mention that piece of land, you know that this is gonna be a gem. Let's start from the entrance. As you can see, you are getting a double metal casement gate that welcomes you to the space where you have the parking of this unit. The home has been surrounded by a perimeter wall on the front side. You have an electric fence on top of it. On this side, you have that small unit, and that one has been constructed for your security guards. A good lighting system combines a very well done lighting system in the unit itself and a very well done exterior lighting in the compound. From there, you can see that the gate comes with 2 gate lights, and those ones are making sure that you are getting a very well lit pathway when you are getting to this space. On this side, you can see that you are getting some lights in the compound just to make sure everything in the compound is very visible, especially in the dark nights. This unit comes with a lot of greenery, and some of the aspects that contribute to the greenery in this space is some fruits that have been planted by the developer. You have some live fences, and you also have some trees that have been planted for the shade. Interesting. On this side, you can see that you are getting several pawpaws. You have some oranges, and these are not the only fruits that you have. You are getting so much more on the rear side of the unit. I'll show you that later. I like whatever the developer did to make sure that these plants are still blossoming in the dry seasons. This is some can that has been filled with water, and it has a small drip at the top. That one makes sure that the plant are getting water in daily basis. On my far front, you have an extension of the front yard. Behind the cameraman, you have the side yard, and it is joining with the backyard that I'll show you later. From there, you can agree with me that this parking is big enough for 5 cars. And on my far front, you are getting one of the cars. It is an Audi Q7, but it is broken. That tells you one thing, that there is a question about the reliability of the Volkswagen Audi Group cars. The car does not come with the unit, but it is in the process of restoration. We dearly apologize that the process of restoration will not be seen in this space because we are not a car channel. If you would want to see such projects, make sure you go to Conversations or AutoConnect. On this side, you have the engine of the car, and the reason we are here is not to discuss about it. Why we are standing on this concrete space is because under it you have a 25,000 liter underground tank that has been built here, and that will be more than enough for the water supply that you require in this home. On this side, you have a pressure pump just to make sure that the water that you are getting in the taps of this house will be enough. This is not the main entrance. This is supposed to be the garage entrance. The main entrance is on the other side. We will not use that one right now. Let's use this and see what we have. The reason why I called this the garage entrance is because the developer was telling me that when he was designing this house, he intended that this space could be converted in the future to become the garage. Right now, this space is being used as the entertainment area. And when the owner is not entertaining his friends or his guests, this space has been used as the study or the office. This space has acted as a very good library. As you can see, it comes with several books just to make sure that your children who are in school are enjoying their studies. This space is opening to the rest of the unit, and next to it you have the common washroom. Next to that you have the guest bedroom, and then next to that you have the main living room. Let's continue. This is the guest bedroom. It is a replica to another bedroom that is on top of it. Why I'm not going to show you this room is because the owner has been using it as the store of the things that he is not using right now. Next to the guest bedroom, you have the common washroom. This space has been done very well, and as you can see from there, it comes with a shower cubicle. You have your water closet on this side, a tissue holder, and your wash basin. From here, we are going to see the formal living room, and that's where we have the main entrance that I mentioned earlier. You guys will use that door, I'll use this one, and we'll meet in there. Wow, wow, wow. This is a good space, and for 28 million Kenya shillings, you are getting a lot. We can agree one thing, that this is not a new unit, but it has been done very well, and the developer is giving you an offer when he is selling this unit at that amount. And keeping in mind that this unit has been done on half an acre lot, you are getting a lot. The formal living room is big enough for a standard nuclear family. It is sufficient to fit a 6-seater all the way to a 9-seater couch. I like it that it comes with a traditional chimney, and remembering that this unit is in Ngong, it's very easy for you to get some firewood from the Ngong forest. For the people who love preserving the environment, me being one of them, it is always very advisable for you to convert this one to a modern fireplace. I like it that you are getting double volume ceilings. The windows are big enough to give you maximum natural light, and the lighting has been done very well to complement the space. This living room is opening to the formal dining room. Why I'm talking about it being formal dining room is because we have an extension of the dining room on the other side. I'll show you that. This is the dining space, and this is where you and your family will be enjoying a very good meal that will be made from the kitchen that is next to me. This is the only opening that joins the dining area to the kitchen. It is very fascinating to see the ceiling heights are above standards, and the side lights that you are getting in this space are improving the look of everything. You're also getting a wash basin just to make sure you clean your hands before you eat your food. When we were having a conversation with the owner of this unit, she was telling me that this is the family room. She also mentioned that this space can be used as a bigger dining area, especially when you have guests. The main reason behind that is that this room is slightly bigger than the formal dining area, and it is next to the kitchen. So when you have the extended family, you can convert this space to be a bigger dining area for all of you. Something is very unique about this home. You are getting a double staircase that takes you to the upper level. When you are coming from the normal living room, you will use this side of the staircase, but when you are coming from the family room or the kitchen, you can use the other side of the staircase. The destination is here at the center, and from there you head to the upper level. Before we do all that, we will see the kitchen, the laundry area, the clotheslines area, and the kitchen garden, where we have a very beautiful gazebo. Let's continue. When a unit is beyond 350 square meters, you get a lot of space to do what you want. This is a massive kitchen, and it has 2 wings. On this side, you have a space that can be used for extra activities in the kitchen. You can use it as the breakfast area because you can add 2 or 3 chairs here and have a very good space for your breakfast. In this kitchen, you are getting an industrial oven, and this will be very, very important, especially when you are cooking the family birthday cakes. Here, we are at the center of the kitchen, and on this side, you have the cooking area. As you can see, the kitchen has been done very well. The cabinetry are very well partitioned, and the colors are blending very well with the black granite countertops that you are getting. On this side, you are getting your sink area. It is a double sink, and on this other side, you are getting your cooking area. It comes with a 4-burner cooktop, and on top of it, you have the heat extractor or the hood for the people who are living in the Americas. This kitchen comes with gas-powered cabinetries, done very well. And below them, you can see that you have spaces for your wine glasses. When you purchase this home and you have a small fridge, this is where you will keep it. But when you buy a double door or a slightly bigger fridge, you can always use this space that has been reserved for anything else. This kitchen comes with a lot of quirks and features. First, you are getting these directional lights that can be tilted to face any direction that you want. Second, you have this space that has been reserved for your wine bottles. And thirdly, you have this cabinetry that comes with this crazy door for your other electronics or for the small microwaves that you would want to have in this kitchen. Why do you need this? Right now, we are at the kitchen porch, and this space has been modified to act as the laundry area. You have these spaces that act as the storage of your washer and dryer, and on top of this modification, you have a space where you can use to fold all your clothes. The rear side of this unit is heavenly. Just look at the greenery that you are getting. If you are here with me, the freshness of the air is something that you can't forget about. It's actually one of the biggest reasons why you need this unit. The greenery comes with the unit. You are getting everything that you can see here right now. And on my far left, you can see that you are getting your gazebo. We will see that later. Let's talk about what we have here. As you can see, we have a 5,000-liter water tank, and this is in addition to what I showed you before, a 25,000-liter water tank. This 5,000-liter water tank collects the water from the rains. And this is not the only water tank that you are getting. On the ceiling of this unit, you are getting a 4,000-liter water tank just to make sure that the bathroom are getting enough pressure. All the walkways in this unit have been paved, and that makes it very nice, especially when you want to walk around the unit without dirtying your shoes. On this side, you have your clotheslines area. As you can see, we have some clothesline poles. That one will be added when you come and purchase this unit. From the clotheslines area walkway, you have another walkway that is taking you to the gazebo. And this space have been done very well. I like it that you are getting the side live fences, and these ones are improving the views that you are getting from there. Next to the gazebo, you have a garden that is full of all types of plants and vegetables. Here you have some sweet potatoes. On my far front, you have some pumpkins. Next to that, you have some avocado trees. And on far end, you can see that you are getting some cassava plants. That is not the only thing that you are getting. As you can see, you have so many types of plants, and you will see all that when you purchase this unit. Gazebos are very important, especially when you want to think or meditate about the problems that you have. If you have been blessed, it's a space that you sit on just to relax and enjoy the wealth and how successful you have been in life. Right now, I'm standing at the center of the lot. On this side, you have a 1/4 acre of land, and this other space where you have the home is another 1/4 acre of land. As I mentioned earlier, the unit comes with a live fence on the rear side. And on top of that, you have this electric fence that goes all around this unit. I'll take you back inside. Just come with me. From the garden, my cameraman will use that staircase, and I will use this one, and we'll meet at the top. This unit and many more will be found in our website, africanrealestate.com. And if you want to see the shorter version of this, make sure you check our TikTok or our Instagram. From there, you can see that the upper level is a masterpiece, and it comes with 2 wings. On my far front, where you have the cameraman Mr. Vincente, you have the kids wing. And behind me, you have the primary wing. We will see that first, later we'll see the kids wing. On this side, you enjoy the double volume from the family room, and from here you are getting a very good view of the family room below. On the other side, you still enjoy the double volume of the formal living room. Let's see the primary bedroom. One thing that is very important to note is that this home comes installed with a 3000 watt sound system. And from there, you can see that you are getting some speakers here, and you have another speakers on the far end. Each bedroom gets 2 speakers, and all the other social spaces gets 3 or 4 speakers. This is the primary bedroom. It is massive. When you stand over there, you can see that the bedroom extends up to this space. It is really massive. I like it that it comes with the biggest balcony, and the balcony is facing the rear side of the unit. The bedroom is big enough for a king size or a queen size bed, and even if you add such a bed, you'll have some spaces for your entertainment. On this side, the bedroom is opening to the walk-in closet, and next to the walk-in closet, you have the primary bathroom. The walk-in closet has been done very well. I like it that it is coming with some sliding doors. The partitioning are phenomenal, and the amount of cabinet that you are getting are more than enough. On top of that, the primary closet comes with a massive mirror that makes it very easy for you to groom. This is the primary bathroom. It has been done very well, and it comes with all the fixtures that you require. You have a cabinetry mirror, and this is very important, especially when you have many toiletries. You have a wash basin. A WC is on my right hand side, and next to me you have the showering area. It is a jacuzzi bathtub that comes with 2 showers and some side sprinkles. Let's see the primary balcony. The space has been done very well with floor to ceiling windows, and they are bringing maximum natural light that you would require from such a space. I like it that you can close up this space, and it will be free from dust or noise. The owner of the unit improved this space by adding a reading desk, and this is where they used to read their Bible. From the parents' wing, let's see the children wing. The children wing comes with 2 bedrooms, as I mentioned earlier in the video, and they are separated by a shared balcony. The balcony is of a substantial size, and I like it that it is facing the front side of the unit. So if there is some activities going on this side, the children will be the one to deal with the noise. The parents will be on the rear side where there is a lot of peace and tranquility. Let me take you back inside. From what you have seen until now, would you spend 28 million Kenya shillings to purchase such a home? Would you spend your hard-earned wealth to buy this home as an investment? If yes, make sure you comment below, and if no, kindly tell us why. This is the first kids' bedroom. What you need to note is that all the bedrooms are getting these wood-like parquet floors just to make sure that the unit is not cold during the cold seasons. The wood parquet floors are matching very well with the closets, and the closets are big enough for small or bigger kids. Each bedroom, as I mentioned, is getting 2 speakers just to make sure that the entertainment stays top-notch. Between the 2 bedrooms, you have a shared bathroom, and the shared bathroom comes with all the fixtures that you require and a shower cubicle. Up here, you still have another speaker just to make sure you can't miss on your favorite music. This is the second bedroom. It is slightly smaller than the first bedroom that we saw earlier, but it is a replica of the guest bedroom that I didn't show you. What is slightly disappointing about the kids' bedrooms is that you are getting some tiny windows, and this may not be enough, especially when you are a lighting fanatic. This is the closet to this bedroom. It is almost similar in size to the one that we saw, and the partitioning is almost the same. We have come to the end of the tour and we hope you have enjoyed. I'm not very sure if you can see the unit right now because it has been blocked by the greenery that comes with this unit. Anyway, if you have some 28 million Kenya shillings and you would want to purchase this unit, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.